Hey guys, so I was going to do a YouTube live and broadcast from my grill and tell you what's going on in the world, and kind of got a little bit messed up because YouTube changed their procedures. If you want to use your mobile device to stream, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. Well, I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so that's not happening. So, oh well. So, I'm going to smoke a cigar, throw a couple of these on, and then I'm going to tell you what we're doing right now, what's going to be coming out this week. Had a couple things happen in the past couple days that kind of inhibited making a video this week, and I do apologize for that. It's kind of made, so let's set you down. Hopefully this gimbal does not go haywire on me. It has done that before. Hey, look at that. And we're going to light a cigar. My new Traeger. I don't know how I lived without one of these. Yeah. Thank you, Costco. These things are awesome. Oh man. Ooh, getting focused. There we go. Hey guys, sorry about that. Threw those on. My camera's just really not liking it. So this week, here in a day or two, we're gonna finish up. We're making a wedding gift for a friend of ours, Kelly. She asked for one of those brass, it kind of looks like a coat rack thing, but I was looking on Pinterest at what some of these other ones are. They're really cool looking. They hang like notes in there or letters, or they'll have like a piece of glass and it'll say Mr. and Mrs. Smith or whatever. Kind of cool little thing. So that's what's coming out. I had to figure out how she wanted it. I was really leaning on doing a one finish, and she wanted the other finish, so I'm really glad we asked. I think she would have liked it either way, but I mean, it is her wedding, so she gets it her way. The other thing is we picked some colors for another project that I'm doing. It's kind of like a coolish orange color. So you'll be seeing this coming out here in a week or so also. What else we got going on? If you guys don't know about Emmett Does Minnesota, that's kind of the channel where it catches everything that I want to throw on YouTube. It's a lot of golf will be on there, and places to eat. So start watching out for videos on that channel. We just, me, or Bill, Joe, and I, my mom, the teacher, and everybody else that lives in my house, the teachers. So if I would have said that wrong, I would have heard about it for a few days. So Bill, Joe, and I went to Brookview Golf Course. We played the back nine. So it's a nice little course. here in Minnesota. So yeah, start looking for that type of stuff. See if this thing's actually reading correctly. Sure is. Alright. So we're going to get to 130 degrees, pull them out, let them rest for 5 minutes. Those steaks are from Costco, by the way. You got a Costco and you're not buying you're not a member of Costco and you're not getting your baked goods and your meat from Costco and your Traeger. If you're gonna buy a Traeger, go to Costco and get it. Absolutely killer. It's the way to do it. I asked so many people about the Traegers, and I'm so glad I went and actually got one. Well worth it. So, what else we got going on here, people? Anyway, so if you guys haven't, if this is your first time here, this is not a normal video. This is mostly I'm making something, I'm doing something in the shop. But if you guys like this, you want little updates, or sitting out here smoking a cigar, smoking some meat, let me know. Do cigar reviews out here. It's beautiful now. I mean, granted, it's like, I think it's in the high 40s right now, but it's really, really nice. So yeah, went to a Twins game yesterday. First time ever going to Target Stadium, which was Target Field, not Stadium, but Target Field. Really nice facility. I really, really liked it. So I just wish it wasn't outside. It is Minnesota. It was kind of cold and windy. But again, we live in Minnesota. We decided to live in Minnesota. We moved back to Minnesota. From the military. I was down south and then lived in Missouri for 7 years after that. And where I was like, hey, let's move back to Minnesota. Because that's where I wanted to be, Minnesota. God, these are good little cigars. So yeah, back to that. If you guys are new, not a normal video, but if this is what you guys like seeing, let me know. We want to see cigar reviews on here also. I like to make cigar stuff on my video, on this channel. So you guys might actually know this channel because of the Blue Collar Ashtray, which I really want to make the 2.0 version and give that one away. So if that video, I think that video has got like 26 likes. If it gets 50 likes, 50, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to make that, and then I'm going to give it away. So the pin auction went good. Got $50 for the pin. That money is going to be spent right back into the channel. I already know what I'm going to get for the channel. Or put towards it. It definitely ain't going to pay for it, but it's going to go towards it. Yeah. So, like, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, hit that bell notification up there. That'd be pretty cool if you did that. And then you know when I upload these videos. So it's been a little bit sporadic in the past couple weeks. My buddy Joe, he had a death in the family. So my best friend, if you know him, send him a message. If you don't know him, you want to give him a little love, put a comment down below for him. He has 5 kids, and they're going through a hard time with it also. So yes, shoot that family some love, and it would be greatly appreciated from all ends. So, but anyway, guys, do appreciate it. Let's see where these steaks at. 49 degrees. We gotta get to 130. Ow. Which is, that's the best feature. This little probe goes in there, you hit that little button, tells you what your internal temperature is. You know, lets you know what your temperature is. I don't know if you guys can see this. You guys probably are like, yeah, we got a Traeger. We already know. Well, come on, camera. Work with me here. There we go. So, 450. Probe. 50 degrees. We're starting to climb. That gimbal does not like it when you hit it on things. I know that much. But anyway, guys. So we'll go ahead and end it here. I'll do a little Instagram thing. Pulling these out so you guys can see them. Anyway, follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you guys aren't already doing that. So I'm going to cut this off. I love you guys. Thank you very much. Come on, why are you all fuzzy? There we go. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot. I will see you guys next time. Peace.